So Lord Nelly here with BuildYourArmy.com, automated sales funnels and website builder with email marketing campaigns and free hosting. This video I want to talk about how to use quizzes in your sales funnel. Very simply, on your landing page you can create a quiz. People will fill it out, and then for results they would have to provide you with their email address so that you could share the results with them. You can automate those results, but then you've captured someone's email address. And the best part is, through the quiz questions, you can determine the person's interests, whether they're an ideal client for yourself or not, and whether you want to work with them or if they're a fit for you. And you get all sorts of intel, so you can actually customize a campaign for them with tags, segment them into different sections of your email list so you can target your messaging to them. Keep building, enjoy your life. Head on over to BuildYourArmy.com to implement these strategies.